Hello there, YouTube. I'm doing a reaction video to this episode we make is before the second episode of the BTWF series. This is by JJ the Great Western Tegedron. Let us begin.
Also, I just feel sad now.
Also, this episode is the concept that this is by Alelia 2000 fan 2000 the fan 2005. Credit goes to her as well. Snow. Snow.
Oh my God, Robot Man! Look, James is back. What you know, Thomas? I found you. About time. What? Hey, James. Yes. I know we already said this once. Did you subscribe to JJ's Why did you just randomly pause? That is not the line. What? That's the line. I don't care. Anyways, it's good to have you here. Now, I have this gun. We're gonna play Russian roulette. Anyways, credit to Leothon 2005 for the original video. We did not, entirely, copy the video, but we decided to change it a little bit. By the way, I do not like anybody. I do not like anybody unless they're my friend. I only like them as a friend. And one thing, guys, don't be a sussy fucker.
True. It's true. Oh yeah.
Hey what? What do you mean, hey what? Hey James. Hey what? Why did C. Potter Jr.'s dad leave C. Potter Jr.? I don't know. Why? Because he was posting cringe.
But boy is right. I don't trust him if my life depends on it.
Bye. Thanks for being here, James. Now it's time to end the video off with a scream.
Yep, don't trust C. Padrina. Well, I'm done. Bye.